Welcome to my honest review of Leadpages. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about this landing page builder based on my actual experience using it. When you first log into Leadpages, the dashboard is very clean and user-friendly. You're greeted with a quick overview of your pages, conversion stats, and an option to jump into building immediately. The navigation is simple, which is great for beginners. I started by testing the drag-and-drop editor. It's fairly intuitive and offers a variety of templates that are well optimized for conversions. However, some templates feel outdated in design, and although you can customize most elements, you're still confined to a section-based layout that can be a little limiting compared to competitors like Webflow or Elementor. Leadpages shines when it comes to its built-in conversion tools. The alert bars, pop-ups, and opt-in forms are all designed to capture leads effectively. You can A/B test most elements easily, and the analytics provided are good enough for mid-level users. That said, the reporting isn't as in-depth as more advanced platforms like Unbounce or HubSpot. If you're a data-driven marketer, this might be a drawback. Another feature I explored was the site builder. Leadpages now lets you build entire websites, not just landing pages. While that's a nice addition, the functionality feels a bit basic. It works well for simple sites or one-pagers, but if you need blog support, more dynamic elements, or CMS integration, Leadpages might fall short. Mobile responsiveness is solid across templates, but editing for mobile views specifically can be clunky. You can't customize mobile and desktop versions independently with the finesse offered by some other builders. Many useful links you can find in the description. The integrations are solid. It connects with most major email marketing platforms, CRMs, and webinar tools. Setting up integrations was straightforward in my testing. However, one area where Leadpages feels weak is SEO. There's basic metadata customization, but advanced SEO features are lacking, which could be an issue if you're aiming for organic traffic. In terms of pricing, Leadpages offers value if you're focused purely on creating high-converting landing pages. But if you need an all-in-one marketing suite, you might find it a bit limited. Also, there's no free plan, only a 14-day trial, which may not be enough time for a proper test if you're busy. Customer support is responsive, with live chat available on paid plans. The knowledge base is decent, though I found myself needing to contact support for a couple of template-related bugs. Overall, the experience was positive, but not flawless. To sum it up, Leadpages is a strong option if you want fast, conversion-focused landing pages with minimal setup. It's ideal for solopreneurs, affiliate marketers, or small teams. But if you need deep customization, blog capabilities, or robust SEO tools, it might not meet your needs. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and walkthroughs.